Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Jira report into your Confluence pages, specifically by embedding a Jira dashboard gadget. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dynamic Jira report displayed right in your Confluence page, making it easier for your team to stay on top of projects without ever leaving Confluence. Let's jump straight in. Now, I'll let you know up front these days, Confluence Cloud favors native Jira macros for most cases because they're easier to use and run smoother. But sometimes you really need to embed a full dashboard gadget. Maybe you want that custom pie chart or a sprint burndown that's already set up just the way you like. If that's you, I'll show you how to get this working using the legacy external gadget method. First, let's head over to Jira. Go to your main dashboard. This is where you see an overview of all your gadgets like charts, lists, and reports. Scroll through and find the exact gadget you want to display in Confluence. Maybe it's your team's sprint status or a custom filter results gadget. Once you found it, look for an option called Show XML Link. This might sound a bit technical, but it's just a special link that lets other apps like Confluence embed what you're seeing. Click on that and copy the URL that pops up. The XML part simply refers to the data format behind the scenes, so don't worry if it looks confusing, you really just need to copy the URL. Next, open up your Confluence page. You can edit an existing page or create a brand new one, whatever works best for you. Here, where things can vary a little depending on how your Confluence is set up. If you're using Confluence Cloud and your site administrator has already enabled external gadgets, you're good to go. If you're not sure about this, don't stress, just check in with your admin or try the next step and see if it works. Sometimes, especially with newer versions of Confluence Cloud, you can just paste the XML gadget link directly onto your page. If you need to use the macro, simply hit the / key or the plus sign in the Confluence editor and type external gadget. Select the macro and when prompted, paste in the XML URL from Jira. This is the bridge that tells Confluence, hey, grab this live gadget from Jira and display it right here on the page. Pause for a second to make sure everything loads. It might take a moment or two for Confluence to pull in the gadget, especially if it's a bigger report. If everything's gone smoothly, you should now see your Jira gadget, live and interactive, right inside your Confluence page. You can adjust the size if it looks off or add explanatory text above or below so your teammates know what they're looking at. This means anyone with permission on this page will be able to see the latest Jira report without having to click through to Jira itself, which saves time and keeps everyone aligned. And that's it. Now you've got a dynamic Jira dashboard gadget embedded in your Confluence page, helping your team stay organized and informed, all in one place. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have any questions or run into any hiccups. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.